Hi, I'm Karen Roth, Holistic Nutritionist. We all know that we should be drinking more water, but in fact, did you know that 75% of Americans are dehydrated? I mean, that's incredible. Drinking water leads to healthier, glowing skin. It leads to more energy. When we are dehydrated, our skin gets kind of dull and dry, and we become very sluggish. So drinking more water is the most effective way to look better and to feel better. Water can also assist in a healthy digestive tract and promotes normal bowel movements. Water also cushions and lubricates your joints. If you have trouble remembering to drink water, you can set a timer on your cell phone about every hour to remind you to drink water. And keep a bottle of water next to you at your desk while you work. Take it to go when you get in the car to go somewhere. And you can ditch the plastic water bottles. There are so many on the market. They're made of stainless steel and even glass. If you don't like the flavor of water, maybe you just don't like drinking it, there's so many flavor enhancers. Sweet Leaf and Stir make flavor drops that make your water taste so wonderful. They come in different flavors like lemonade, coconut, mango. They even have flavors of chocolate. And then Noon also has flavor tablets, same different types of flavors, but it makes your water kind of fizzy. Another thing you can do is make a big picture of water and keep it in the refrigerator so you can refill your bottle throughout the day. Some recipes include sliced pineapple with mint, even sliced tangerine with thyme sprigs. Watermelon and mint are really good, and one of my favorites is sliced cucumber with sliced lemon. It's much more economical that way also. The amount of water varies per individual. So the rule of thumb is you take half your weight and drink that in ounces. So for example, if you weigh 140 pounds, your goal is to drink 70 ounces a day. Now, if you exercise and you sweat or you drink a lot of caffeine, you need to drink more water. I hope these tips will help you drink more water so you can stay healthy and feel really good.